ADTX stock analysis and price predictions for Thursday and onwards. Is it a buy or not? Watch this brief short 1-minute video till the end, find out. ADTX is just melting. It's really just melting. It's diving, let's put it this way. I myself am the only person in this space with 44,000 videos, 5 years of experience, all documented, so no one else has come even close, and it's all on my YouTube channel. You can check it out. The most recent prediction that I had on ADTX was correct here, and it was in March, right? And at the time it was sitting at 718, and I was like, if I have a double break, I'm looking to take it further down. And guess what happened from that point onward? Where it continued to dive. It went from $7 now to $1, and honestly, even with this price section, this is just so poor. Even though pre-market is a bit higher, the only thing that's gonna make me really be bullish is full candle closes about 130 something. Right now it's not there, right? So in the meantime, all I would do is just wait with a bearish bias idea. So it's not financial advice. If you want to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.